how to pay Jcpenney credit card bill online. I'm going to tell you how you can make a payment for your Jcpenney credit card online. First, you need to know what is the issuer of your Jcpenney card. In my case, it is Synchrony Bank, so that's what I'm going to look for. But when you Google Pay Jcpenney credit card, the first option that will come up is this, onlinecreditcenter6.com. If I'm not mistaken, that is Synchrony Bank's logo, but I don't think that's the right website. So go to jcpenney.syf.com instead. From here, you just click on Manage Your Account Online, and it will then direct you to this website. From here, you can just log in using your credentials, but if you are in a hurry, you can just click on Pay as Guest so you don't have to log in.